Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I want to share the beauty, craftsmanship, and creative potential of a handmade wood material holder, a piece that may appear simple at first glance, but actually represents the perfect combination of functionality, artistic expression, and traditional woodworking skill. As a professional wood art artist, I believe that every piece of wood carries a story within its grain, texture, and natural character. And transforming that raw material into a useful holder is not just a woodworking project, but a form of art that connects nature with everyday life. When selecting wood for a holder, the journey begins with careful observation of the material itself. The color variations, growth rings, knots, and unique patterns all influence the final design, allowing the artist to create something that feels alive and authentic. Unlike mass-produced products made from synthetic materials, a handcrafted wooden holder possesses warmth, personality, and timeless appeal. The process starts by choosing high-quality hardwood or softwood depending on the intended purpose, followed by measuring, cutting, shaping, and refining each component with precision and patience. Every curve, edge, and surface is carefully considered to achieve a balance between strength and elegance. One of the most rewarding aspects of creating a wooden holder is watching an ordinary block of timber gradually evolve into a beautiful object that serves a practical purpose, while also enhancing the surrounding environment. The natural grain becomes a visual centerpiece, turning a functional item into a decorative statement that can complement modern, rustic, minimalist, or traditional interiors. During the carving and shaping stages, attention to detail is essential, because even the smallest refinement can dramatically improve the final appearance. Sanding is particularly important, as it transforms rough surfaces into smooth, touchable finishes that invite interaction and appreciation. As the wood becomes increasingly refined, its natural beauty begins to emerge, revealing intricate grain patterns that were hidden beneath the raw exterior. Finishing techniques such as natural oils, waxes, or protective coatings further enhance these characteristics while preserving the wood for years of use. What makes a handmade wood holder truly special is the human touch behind its creation. Every mark, adjustment, and design decision reflects the experience, creativity, and dedication of the artisan. Unlike factory-made items that prioritize speed and uniformity, handcrafted pieces celebrate individuality and craftsmanship. No two wooden holders are exactly alike because nature never repeats itself, ensuring that each finished work remains unique. This uniqueness creates a deeper connection between the object and its owner, transforming a simple holder into something meaningful and memorable. Sustainability also plays an important role in contemporary woodworking. Many artists now focus on responsibly sourced wood and environmentally conscious practices, demonstrating that beautiful design and environmental responsibility can coexist. By utilizing renewable materials and maximizing the value of each piece of timber, wood artists contribute to a more sustainable future while preserving traditional skills that have been passed down through generations. The versatility of wooden holders is another reason they remain popular among designers, homeowners, and collectors. They can be used to organize tools, hold stationery, display decorative items, support electronic devices, or simply serve as artistic centerpieces. Their adaptability allows artists to experiment with different shapes, proportions, and construction methods while maintaining practical functionality. This balance between usefulness and beauty is one of the defining characteristics of successful woodworking design. As I work through each stage of the creative process, I often find inspiration in nature itself. Flowing lines, organic forms, and natural textures influence the overall design, helping create pieces that feel harmonious and balanced. Wood has an incredible ability to bring warmth into a space, and a carefully crafted holder can instantly make a room feel more welcoming and sophisticated. Beyond its visual appeal, wood also provides a tactile experience that synthetic materials often cannot replicate. The smooth surface, subtle grain texture, and natural warmth create a sensory connection that enhances the user's appreciation of the object. For aspiring woodworkers and artists, projects like wooden holders provide an excellent opportunity to develop essential skills while exploring creative expression. They teach precision, patience, problem-solving, and attention to detail, all of which are fundamental qualities in woodworking. Every completed piece becomes both a functional object and a reflection of personal growth as an artist. The satisfaction of transforming raw wood into something beautiful and useful is difficult to describe but deeply rewarding. It reminds us that true craftsmanship is not simply about producing an object. It is about honoring the material, respecting the process, and creating something that can be appreciated for many years. In a world increasingly dominated by disposable products and automated manufacturing, handmade wooden creations stand as symbols of authenticity, quality, and enduring value. They encourage us to slow down, appreciate natural materials, and recognize the skill required to create something meaningful with our hands. Whether displayed in a home, workshop, office, or gallery, a handcrafted wood material holder represents more than organization or storage. It represents creativity, dedication, and the timeless relationship between artist and material. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy seeing the transformation of natural wood into functional art, be sure to stay connected for more inspiring woodworking projects, creative techniques, and artistic craftsmanship that celebrate the beauty of wood and the endless possibilities hidden within every piece of timber. And that's the final reveal of this amazing wood material holder art project, where a simple piece of natural wood has been transformed into a beautiful and functional masterpiece. Every cut, curve, and finish highlights the unique beauty of the wood and the craftsmanship behind the creation. I hope this project has inspired you to appreciate the art of woodworking and the endless possibilities hidden within natural materials. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, please like the video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking projects, wood art creations, and creative craftsmanship videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next project. Until then, keep creating, keep building, and keep turning ideas into art.